Wow.
Hey, what's up guys, this is KDCloudy, and a lot of phones which shipped this year in 2019 had an ultra wide lens. The iPhone 11, the OnePlus 7 Pro, the Redmi Note 8 Pro, basically every phone except the Pixel. Now the most obvious option for all of us older generation phones who are missing out on the ultra wide camera is to get an external lens attachment. Now moment lenses from the US are pretty high quality, although pretty expensive along with a case, and that's excluding Indian shipping. So the most viable and cheapest option I found was this, the Skyvik wide angle plus micro clip-on lens for 2000 rupees. And it might come off as really sketchy, but this is a pretty premium product. It comes with a nice box and a case and everything. It's pretty heavy and it's a clip-on, so it clips right onto the back camera or the front camera, and right after that it gives some pretty insane results. Now, this being my first time using an ultra wide lens on my phone, I was pretty blown away with what you can do with such a generic accessory, and it was so fun to shoot these samples on my Redmi Note 7 Pro with Gcam. Now, although it's really fun to shoot, it's definitely not perfect. Although the image quality itself doesn't suffer in any way if you orient the lens properly, but there are instances of severe vignetting if you don't achieve that precise orientation. The camera app also sometimes struggles while exposing the white balance in such a different shooting condition, but that's not really a big issue which I found. This being a clip-on lens means that you can also use it for some insanely large group selfies or even vlogging. So with that 16:9 crop, you get a pretty decent area for framing yourself. But the clip-on lens sometimes feels weird because it obstructs so much of the screen while shooting, like a big notch, and it will especially cause problems while shooting video. But that's the inherent problem of clip-on lenses anyway. There is no perfect way of having external phone lenses. But yeah, this is a pretty solid product, pretty fun. It basically boils down to the fact if you really want the latest hot feature from the newest of smartphones, and you can get it without spending too much, that too a better quality since it's shooting from your primary camera. But anyway, thanks for watching this fun little video. I had tons of fun shooting and clicking pictures with this thing. Definitely should check it out. And that's basically it. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to this channel if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Cheers.